Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your battery percentage is not showing next to your battery icon, you could go into Settings, Display, here scroll down to Status Bar and enable the Show Battery Percentage option. If the option is turned on but it's still not showing right here, that could mean something is stuck, and you could just turn your phone off and then back on again like this and just tap on restart. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.